Make a great choice today with the 2025 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, compass, clock, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.